Ye, yo, you, ya, I.
Whoa.
I can say it faster. Ye, yo, you, ya, I.
Okay. What?
Today we're going to look at some soft indicating vowels, and there are 5 of them. So one by one, I'm going to make you name these.
Ie.
Yep.
Io.
Mm-hmm.
You.
Mm-hmm.
Ya.
Mm-hmm.
I.
Nice. Yep. If you want to say it real fast all together, ye, you, ya, I.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
We're actually going to look at how these vowels affect the preceding consonant, hence why they're called soft indicating vowels. But once we're done with this, you can actually go and look at our full Russian course and see how you can put these letters back into context of words and then phrases as well. So what's a soft indicating vowel? I don't know. A soft indicating vowel makes the preceding consonant sound soft.
Okay.
For soft indicating vowels, the tip of your tongue will be pressed against the hard palate. So that's just the area right behind your upper front teeth. So I'll give you some examples and we can put it into practice.
Let's do it.
For comparison, you just have the one consonant and the soft indicating vowel just so it's easier to hear the difference. So the first one is pa and ya.
Pa. Pia.
Yep, and an example of the pa ya together is in the word пять, which means 5. All right, we've got a few more examples. Bo and byo. So the example here is ребенок, which means child.
Ребенок.
Yep.
Ребенок. Okay.
Yep. Next one is ni.
Ni.
And the next one's ni.
Ni.
So the word, for example, is они, which means they.
Okay. Они.
Они.
Они. Ni. Okay.
Yep. Next one. This is de and де. The example we have here is дело, which means
дело.
Yeah, like business. So дело.
Дело. Дело.
All right, got I think one more for you.
Okay.
Си and си. So си and
Soy.
si.
Okay. Soy and si.
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 Yeah.
Si.
Yep.
Okay.
And the example is синий, which means dark blue.
Of course.
Of course. So try saying that. Синий.
Синий.
So next one, here on the left side, we have dama, and that's not a soft indicating vowel. The a is not. So try saying dama.
So dama.
Now say дядя.
Dia. Dia.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So you're right. The tongue does move more up to the front instead of flat where I had it for dama.
Yeah, and it's something that you just kind of need to say and practice, and you'll feel a difference, and you'll also hear it. We've got some more examples. You've seen this one before.
Yes.
If I were to read this word without that soft indicating vowel, or pretending that the ye does not have that soft indicating effect or softening effect on it, I would be reading it as здравствуйте, which is wrong.
Okay.
And that's just literally I'm saying te and ye together te.
Te.
But because it's a soft indicating vowel, it does make the te sound like tse. So instead we have здравствуйте.
Okay. Здравствуйте. Not te.
Not te. Nope.
Not
All right, next one. We've got, you know this one.
Yes. Привет.
Yep. Привет.
Which is so much easier to say hi than hello.
Hi.
Привет.
Привет. Next one. So it's добрый вечер. So for this one, let's look at вечер just to isolate those combinations. So ве instead of ве and че instead of че.
Вечер.
I like the hands. Вечер.
Добрый вечер.
Yeah, добрый вечер. All right, next one. До свидания, which means goodbye. So I'll say it slower.
Okay.
До свидания.
До свидания.
Yep, nice. And then again for this one, instead of like v or n, it's v and ni.
V and ni. So до свидания.
Yep, v, ni. Yep. All right. Next, we've got a short little dialogue. I'm gonna make
I love it.
I'm gonna make you read this with me. See, it's just 2 lines.
Как дела?
Yep, dila.
Dila.
Yep.
Ah, there we go. Again,
Yeah,
that's
instead of de or the, it's di.
Z. Okay. Как дела?
Yep, which means how are things. And for me, I'm just responding with всё неплохо, спасибо. So it's всё instead of like so. And then не плохо, so instead of like не, it's не.
Не.
Всё неплохо. Всё неплохо, like all's good, not bad.
Ah. Спасибо.
Спасибо. All right, so moving right along. One more dialogue.
Okay.
This one's a little bit longer.
Yes.
Which one do you want to take, A or B?
A.
All right.
Just stick with A.
Go for it.
Okay, so this is извините.
Nice.
Извините.
Yep.
So it's где.
Где.
Где. When I said I wanted to do A, I meant you can do A and B.
All right, so this one is кинотеатр. Кинотеатр. Yep.
Кинотеатр.
Yep, you have the the in there again, so it's тя.
Тя.
All right, so the first line is извините, где кинотеатр? And the response, идите прямо, затем налево.
Go straight, then to the left. I feel a lot more comfortable after completing all of this. But it is cool to kind of see it, and the underlining is super helpful, very useful.
I see a big improvement in how you're pronouncing things, for real. No,
Thank
but
you.
It's one of those things like your ear is getting better at hearing the sounds and picking up some of those intricacies. So you're doing a great job.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, and so you can take everything that we studied today and put it back into context with Mingo languages. You can check out the full Russian course there as well. Be sure to comment, like, and subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. Thanks for watching.
До свидания.
Bye.